Hey guys, this is Ashraf. So I designed this handle over here, the VESA mount handle. We're going to try out this handle if this handle really able to withstand the weight of this 22-inch Acer LCD monitor over here. So first we are going to weigh this monitor down with this. So let me clear up the table first. Let's see now. Let's measure the weight. So it weighs around 3.5 kilo, around 3.25 kilo. So we're going to fit this handle and we'll see whether or not the handle able to carry up to 3.25 kilo. I think inside the screw only has about 2 millimeter of screws inside the socket there. I mean the contact. Okay, that's enough. So, what do you guys think? Is the handle able to lift the load of the 3 kilo or not? Here goes nothing. Oh wow, it easily able to handle the weight, the 3.25 kilo. Look guys, although it is quite heavy, it's due to the LCD itself, but it is nice. So this is my first model that I designed. This is already put onto the Thingiverse there. The link to this handle is down in the description below. So like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you don't like it. Do help me share this video if this handle is helpful and useful for you guys. And also do check my other videos, subscribe to me if you haven't, and support me and Patreon as well. Ashraf signing out.